Hello everyone, in today's video you're gonna learn how to delete music from the HK9 Pro Plus smartwatch. So let's get started. Although it's a pretty simple task, but it is tough to understand how to delete it. I struggled with deleting the music from my smartwatch. After that I learned it itself. So let's get started. Just go to the music app. Okay, then click on local song. Here you can see I have two songs. If I want to delete it, I just have to hold the music, then slide left, and you will see a red color button will appear. This is the delete button. Just click on this. The audio has been deleted, you can see, and do it again. It's pretty simple. So I hope you like this video.